everybody! The pause is over. This is Joe, me, and Cunt playing White Boys 2.
White Boys
2
White Boys 2. Oh, Blood Man, the new superhero. He does stuff blood can do.
Joe, you ready?
Joe is the killer. And I need to find me some tapes.
Just a disclaimer here. We can't see Joe's screen, so...
Yeah, we cannot see Joe's screen. You'll be able to see
me when I kill you, don't worry.
Joe... We cannot see Joe's screen.
I as a human being, am like 200% positive that Joe might end up being a serial killer. You know, he probably burned cats as a kid.
I know that Joe...
I love you, though.
...is purposely doing this because he just loves doing shit like this.
Where are you?
I'm over in the forest. In the forest, dumbass.
She's coughing. There's like a lot of cancer in my asthma.
Apparently.
I'm gonna be quiet some most of the time because I get really into
No, you're good. Get into it, man. Are you or your family affected by mesothelioma?
Due to exposure to asbestos.
Due to exposure to asbestos.
That's what that reminded me of, which is like...
How do I turn off the fucking...
B.
Turn off
your light.
Oh, okay.
Shoving batteries in my ass to stay charged.
Coming for that booty.
So what if he gets all these doohickeys?
Then I die.
Oh, for real?
I get sent back to wherever I came from.
Hell, probably.
Pretty much. That's where my character looks like he's from.
Oh
yeah, they haven't seen my character yet, so...
Which is, I'm pretty excited. Because didn't you just download it?
Yep. Oh, you're far away, aren't you?
I don't know. Just following the compass.
The crumpus.
Oh! Hi.
It's Satan. Use your light!
I don't know how. Okay, there it is.
So did that just spawn you somewhere else, Joe?
Yeah, it spawns me somewhere else.
Ah! Where are you?
Oh, that's one of those spore things or idols, I thought. What, in the cancer? Or is that a special ability Joe has?
Was that a special ability?
He's not gonna tell. He's not gonna tell us. What a scum. So that's a yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Secrets in the frost.
The secret's in the front.
I see you, cunt.
Throw close to... The word of the day is cunt. Just like my ex-wife. Oh, he's just standing out there honestly. He's in the darkness waiting.
Yeah, that's right. Eat a dick. Okay, I'll lose my sanity, apparently.
I've still been forced to flee.
Oh. I don't know what that means.
I didn't know if you stare at him too long, you'll lose your sanity. That never happened to me.
Apparently that What the fuck? Was that you?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, that was
I got teleported.
Which was kind of slightly helpful because we couldn't find the gate.
It kind of sucks because the clue was right fucking there.
Douchebag. Wait, what was that?
I did teleport.
It was just an energy thing.
I thought it was a flashbang. Of course, right when I picked up the flashbang, I died.
I know, that sucks.
That bummed me out.
So when my controller vibrates, you're nearby? Is that the thing?
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna get that booty.
Is there like a bridge we don't know about here? Oh, there actually is. AJ's going all dark this whole game. It's pretty hardcore.
Oh, I know.
This is easier than the hospital.
This is a really easier. It's an easier map.
Because in the hospital, You know, like, you're so limited, and
bottleneck.
like, you could be running into the wall and you wouldn't even know because it's so fucking dark in there. But, like, I can actually see where I'm going, and it's really not that bad.
Dude, that's why I kept running in circles.
Exactly. Because, like, everything looks the same, while, like, in this cabin world, everything looks different. Like, everything looks different. I think I've run past a lot of things that do not look the same, and... Oh! Oh, fuck me. Holy shit. Holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me.
I was following you for like a minute.
One more.
Wait, were you really?
Yeah.
He's stalking him.
I wanna know what it's like to be the monster, because like I wanna see like the vision and stuff.
You can do that next.
Do a double perspective, you know. Throw some sticks.
It's 3 strikes and you're out, right?
Right there.
Something like that.
Yeah. Unless you get a med kit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I forgot those were in here.
Throw some glowy sticks, so just in case.
Throw one right here. Even though he's probably like in front of me.
Right.
Oh, there he is. Oh wait, no, that's just a supernatural shit.
That's just eye cancer.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh, dude.
I'd be mad as
fucks me
fuck.
up. Oh shit, that's a fucking relic. Oh shit.
You only need 2 more.
Oh, I didn't know you could see that.
Oh, how many he needs?
Yeah.
But will he find them?
Probably not.
Motherfucker.
Glow stick. It's like I know he's gonna come up behind you some point right here.
Yeah, I know.
I haven't seen a lot of med kits. This game does lack like the essentials to like survive the game.
Yes, it does.
Well, here's the thing. I have no idea where you're at.
You're bullshitting.
No, I'm serious.
Lies. Whoa. You switch places with him, eh?
That means he's close.
Yeah. Glow stick grenades. He wasn't forced to flee. Run. Where the fuck is he?
I don't know.
There he is, right there. He's coming at you right now from right there. Glow stick.
Let me see, motherfucker.
Glow stick. He said, "I see you, motherfucker." See, this makes it hard. He's gonna get behind you. He's gonna flank you.
Yeah, no.
Joe seems a right flank type of guy. Right there! Oh!
Ah, fuck.
Wow, that looked way cool.
That was awesome.
He looked way cooler towards the end there.
I gotta say, that was intense. I had one more clue to go. Ah, shit. That was awesome. Yeah, that was good.
It got hard because it
Good
said he was
game.
right on top of it,
Good game.
but like
was
we
good.
couldn't see it anywhere. Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Look at where we
Hold on.
went.
I wanna see the part where you're fucking following me. Yeah, that's where you got me the first time.
I'm telling you, see, I was completely off. I had to, like, use my shit to find out where you were. But my compass was going so slow to reload.
Oh, so you get a compass like we get a compass for...
Oh,
there he is.
Wow. Okay.
And then this is the point where I was like, oh, I don't know where the fuck you're at, and I teleported you.
Yeah,
Oh, but I
dude,
was
you
right
were
next to
right
you.
fucking there. Yeah, no, and I was trying to find
You
that
guys
clue.
were everywhere on that
fucking,
map.
oh my god, dude.
That
it was,
clue was impossible.
It was
to find.
everywhere and nowhere. Alright, I
That
want
was
to play
cool.
as the monster
Okay.
this time. So that was fucking sick. I love that.
I'm probably gonna scream like a bitch.
Oh, you were Astaroth?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fucking awesome.
The Demon King.
You got to read the
they all
whole-
have stats. I didn't notice that.
Oh, wow. Okay.
You have to re-invite me.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah.
You can see what he looks like in the back there. It's like, hi, my name's Creaker.
Hey, guys.
Hey guys, I'm here to diddle your bitch and kill your family. It would be real hard, I feel, if the humans could defend themselves better.
I'm Jeeves right now.
Like Ass Jeeves?
Yeah.
Those idols. Boca Raton.
So I don't know how I've gotten here. Motherfucker!
Oh yeah, you got a compass and all this other shit, but it takes forever to load. Wow, the perks for the monster take forever to load up.
I'm going to pinch your butt.
I'm going to suck your
What?
blood.
Your penis.
Your butt!
Your blood.
I'm going to suck your butt.
Is that coffee?
No, I think those are painkillers.
Alright, Left 4 Dead.
Motherfucker, I know. I see you. Fuck off, Spectre.
You Spectre.
Ghoul. Motherfucker! Fuck off! No means no!
Oh.
Yes means no.
Joe.
Yes means no, and no means
Joe.
no means yes, and yes means anal. Oh! You didn't get him though!
I didn't get him. No, he stopped me.
Motherfucker! Did you teleport away?
Oh, wait-ish.
The amount of quiet that's happening right now because there's so much.
Garrison, we need you to keep
so
talking.
much focus.
You piece of shit!
Whoa!
What?
Are you mad?
No, I just dismantled your fucking decoy.
Ah!
Oh,
You know where he is now.
now.
You know where he is now.
Uh-oh.
He's coming to diddle your bits.
I
I hope
am
you are.
indeed coming to diddle your bits.
What does this one even do?
Shit!
I remember us only getting you twice, though.
Huh?
I remember us only getting you twice, though.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe the
Yeah, we got-
investigators have different abilities or some shit.
Yeah, we had three
Yeah,
chances.
Jeeves probably
Has a lower
doesn't
life
have much, yeah.
because he's old, but he's a better investigator or
Well,
something.
that was a gas. I love that.
I'd like to state
That was fun.
that me and AJ got more tapes than you. So, suck my
Fuck
ass.
off. That's what
And you were the only one to play this game, I'd like to state. There's one point where AJ's just doing nonsense. Like, had nowhere to go. So
Yeah.
he's just like...
I'm just like, fuck it. I'm gonna go.
What's happening? How did I get here? What am I doing? Right there, look. He went the wrong way. Like, where in the fuck are you, guy? Oh, there he is. Look how
That was
direct Joe's route is compared to ours.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
Alright.
that
Oh,
was
fun.
White Noise multiplayer. That was fun.
Get
Yeah,
it
that
for
was fun.
Halloween.
I think we should play this Halloween night or
This
something.
game's only $10
Yeah, sure.
too.
Really?
Oh, dude, you
Yeah.
gotta snag that shit off the Xbox Marketplace.
This is
if
a
you
fun
haven't
game.
already. White Noise 2.
I love you.
Alright. See you guys
Stay
later.
rabid, motherfuckers.
Stay rabies.
Stay having rabies.